Hey Team Blossom, welcome back to Blossom University. And today, a part of our self care regimen, we're going to be using our pink Himalayan salt detox blocks. So I got these from Amazon, and I'll put the link below. But I got these from Amazon, and what you do is you just simply either warm them up in the microwave or in the oven for about a minute. The instructions say 2 minutes, but it makes it super, super hot. So what I like to do is warm it up for a minute, take a little rag and place it onto a towel. So I do one at a time, and we're going to do the second Himalayan salt block. So what I'd like to do is I do it for a minute and I allow the salt block to kind of cool down a little bit. And then I place my bare feet on each block. If the block is a little bit too hot for me, then what I'd like to do is I like to take that same rag and place it over the rock and then put my foot over it so it doesn't burn your skin because these get really, really hot. So I place them onto a towel and they're hot enough for me to put my skin on it. So I like to do that for 20 minutes or so and then repeat. And then lastly, I wanted to show you this new foot spa that I got in the mail literally today. And I feel like I should show my audience because it's the truth. It has a spinning pumice stone, it has a massage, and I use like this skin softening Epsom salt and just a little bit of the foam bath, and it was amazing. So I hope you enjoy. Love you lots. Remember to subscribe. Blossoming Jasmine.